Hello everybody and welcome to your YouTube dance session. My name's David Darcy. I'm your dance artist today, going to take you through your session. But today I am joined with the main man, that is, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yep. Hello everyone. I am David Cook. I am part of the DanceSyndrome leaders. Yes, let's crack on. Let's shake up. We do it. I warm up with fantastic safety as well.
Nice one, perfect introduction. And let's do our warm-up. So, move into your dance space wherever you're going to be. Follow our movement, adjust as you need to, but most importantly, let's have some fun. Ready, Dave?
Yes, of course. Let's do this.
Let's do this, everybody. No right or wrong. Let's have some fun. Just start with the shape. Find that heavy weight. Stop. This guy. Big circle. Center and over. Side and over. And center and side. Shake out. Are we all ready to learn a routine with Mr. Core? I know I am. Babe, are you ready for us?
Okay.
Yes. So, we're going to follow along with Dave. He's going to teach us a dance routine. Let's do this. Dave, what's our first move today?
The first move is a sway.
Okay.
It'll be like sway like this. Okay, nice. It's a nice and super easy move. One, I'll be like, done that, like arms round, reach up and into here. Okay, it'll be a turn as well. It'll be turn.
Nice. Let's do that so far, Dave. Let's do what we've learned so far. So our sway first. When you're ready.
Sway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Round. Open. A spin. Perfect.
Oh, really nice. Should we add another move on?
Yes, of course.
Let's do this.
Next move is phone drop with your body circle. Okay.
Ooh.
And this will be phone here. You drop your phone and then pick it up round and pass another hand.
Nice. Do that again from the phone.
Yes, it'll be phone up, then drop it, pick it up, and then pass into your hand to here. Okay?
Okay. Should we do all of our moves from the sway so far up to there?
Yes, of course. Okay.
Right.
Let's sway it out. 3, 2, 1, go.
Six. Oh, yes, really nice. Shall we try that so far with some music?
Yes, of course. Let music into your brain.
It's pandemic.
So let's
No matter
just have a
what
little
you
look.
create.
This will be nice. When you're ready, Dave, let's try it with a bit of music so far. Go. Love that! Right, let's now add a bit more on. So what's after? We've just dropped our phone, we've picked our phone up, we've thrown it into our other hand. What's now?
Okay, now I'm going to do jump head down with hands.
Okay, what's that?
Up your head as well. So let me head here. Yep, let me jump, head, flick up.
Okay, lots of little movements in there, isn't there? So let me see if I've got this right, Dave. First move is head down.
Yeah.
Second would be take a bend in the knee for our jump.
Yep. Jump.
And then our hands flick up and our head goes up to the sky.
Yes.
Nice. Right, let's go through phone drops. So we've got our phone up in the air.
Yeah.
So drop your phone.
Drop.
Pick it up, circle round. Yeah, nice. The other hand.
Here.
Into
And head.
head.
Jump. Flick up.
Nice. Okay. So what's after our jump and head flick up?
So flick up head. We just done that.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna do a big sway with a turn.
A sway with a turn.
Yes. A big sway.
Okay. Give us a gander.
Just like big like this, like that. Yeah, definitely wonderful for demo. Thank you.
Nice one, Dave. Love that. So we're going a big sway and a turn.
What?
Love that. It's almost got a little hop in there as well, hasn't it?
Yeah.
There's everything in that movement. Love that, Dave. Really nice.
Yeah.
Excellent.
And
Right.
then finish it off is arms in and out. Nice and super easy. Okay. Is this arms in, arms out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finish up here.
Nice. But is it quite slow, isn't it? It's not that quick, is it? It's quite slow, the ending, isn't
Yeah,
it?
very slow.
Oh, nice. Let's go all the way from the beginning with no music, and then let's try it with some music, shall we?
Yes, of course.
Right, okay.
Let's do it.
So, we start with a sway, is that right, Dave?
Yes, of course.
Okay, let's do this. So we go.
3, 2, 1, go. Sway. And second move. That is your full routine for that.
I love this routine, Dave. It's gorgeous. Should we try it all with some music now?
Yes, of course.
Let's give it a go. Follow along with us, guys. See how you get on.
Yes, dance performance in as well.
Yeah, so perform it now, everybody. Let's give it a go. Everybody, really well done with that one. What we would love to see is when you do that at home, we would love you to send in your videos of you doing your version of our routine. That would be lovely to see, and maybe we can put them together and make a little video. So do send in your videos of you doing that little routine, and we'll get them all together to make a little video. Dave, shall we cool down?
Yes, of course. Yeah, let your heart going down for a cool down, okay?
For a cool down.
No matter what you create,
let me find your song.
no matter what you do, we have the right.
The world needs calm
Got an advert for 1 second.
to stop what's coming. It's
I can
got
get rid of
to.
all these.
Can't wait up for greatness because I'm built from it. Here we go. Nobody can stop me. Here we go.
Godzilla vs. Kong. Rent the movie premiere at home April 1.
You can't. Right, everybody, let's cool down. Follow along with Dave. Let's do this.
See the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. see the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone. Will soon be gone.
Perfect, Dave. Oh,
Thank you.
nice, gorgeous little cool down there, Dave. Oh, loving that hip action. Gorgeous circles. Right, let me just pause the music. There we go. So everybody, thank you so much for joining our YouTube video today. We hope you've enjoyed our session. Please remember to send in those videos of you doing the solo at home there, and we'll get them all together to create a big long video, and that'll just be so wonderful to see. So thank you from me. Dave Court, do you want to say anything to anyone?
Yes, of course. Just say thank you so much for joining in. And yes, please do. Just said, post the videos. Now we can do a piece of nice, gorgeous routine and go into this video, send out to the world. Yes, thank you so much, and peace out.
Peace out, everybody. Bye.